Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see Pinterest history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up the Pinterest application. Tap on the Save button next to notification icon. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap Settings. Tap on Home Feed Tuner. You will be able to see your browsing history under Activity. And this is how you can see Pinterest history. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.